Whoa, chill, bro. I know I'm late. Chill, it's okay. We're gonna play the Camp Sundown update now. Please enjoy the video, like and subscribe to see more. Thank you. There's like 18 monsters outside of this place, bro. Oh my god! Get back!
Come here, it's Will from Stranger Things. It's Will from Stranger Things. Come here.
Bro.
It's Will from Stranger Things, bro.
Yo, it's you, Travis. Under no circumstances enter the woods at night. Do not investigate strange sounds. Stay inside. This is not a joke. Leave no trace. Have an amazing summer. Let's go.
Wow.
Guys, I'm gonna pee in the lake.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Yeah, I hear it.
Bro, Chaz, bro. What the f is that?
Yo, like reaction. I don't think we're at summer camp anymore. Guys, I want to go home. I don't want to be home no more. I don't like school camp. I'm Boy Scout anymore. I don't like Boy Scout camping anymore. Guys.
Oh, you remember? Have you guys seen the TikTok of like the weird grandpa that uses like the tips of his fingers to change gears?
Hey, Jackson, hey! Jackson!
The monster's behind us, Braxton!
No, it's not.
You'll not find me, you'll not find me.
Maybe we'll meet in the bar. I'll drive a funky and...
Oh! Braxton? Oh my god. Isaac? The monsters can come inside the camp when it's nighttime. Oh my god! Chill.
Jacko, get on top of the jungle gym!
Run! Isaac, run, bro, run!
Get on the jungle gym! They can't get us up here, Jacko.
Oh my god! Oh, I can't see, bro.
My face.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
No! You thought? No! Whoa!
Alright, done, Jason.
That would be the best.
Hey, no. Bracken, Jacko, touch wood.
I'm knocking on the wood. Slap! Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
SPG.
What the fucking podcast is this?
Probably, bro.
I don't fucking know.
W reading in the chat, bro. You guys will never know where I am. I don't see you guys. You guys can't find me. Jukes. Oh my god, I'm the king, bro. No one else.
What?
Jukes, bro. No. Call me the dad.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. But before I go, I want to check out. What? Where's the VIP room now? It used to be open. Oh, what the? Yo. What the hell? What's up here? What the? Yo, second floor? Second floor of what? Whoa, this is sick. Is there anything up here? This is like a tab area. This is sick, dude. This shop is so, like, changed so much. What's that? Hello. This shop has changed way too much, dude. It used to just be a straight line in the sides.